Leo? Where is Leo? Is there a Leo in here? Is there a Leo in here? Where's Leo? There she is. She's in there. Where's Leo? What about in the dishwasher? There's Leo. That's right. What about in here? Is there Leo in here? Is there Leo in there? You got spoons? You throwing them? You throwing these spoons? Where are you going? Where is Leo? Where is Leo? There's a Leo in there, that's right. Who is there? It's Leo.